Welcome, amazing ladies and stunning women, to my new video. We are happy to present an amazing collection of short hairstyle ideas that are perfect for women of all ages. Prepare to be amazed as we showcase a wide range of stunning hairstyles, including pixie cut, bob hairstyles, and more. These captivating hairstyles will make you feel confident and look absolutely fabulous. Join me today as we explore over 100 unique haircut ideas in a variety of beautiful colors. Whether you are from the USA, UK, Canada, Poland, Morocco, Germany, Mexico, Spain, Italy, or from anywhere else in the world, these hairstyles are suitable for everyone who wants to stay on the top of the latest summer fashion trends. Beautiful ladies, your ultimate destination for all things hair. In today's video, we have an extraordinary collection of short hairstyles that are sure to inspire and empower you. From sleek pixie cuts to trendy bob hairstyles, we have handpicked a variety of options to suit all hair types and styling preferences. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of short hair. When it comes to short hairstyles, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we have selected more than 100 different haircut ideas that bond versatility and creativity. You will be captivated by the range of styles, colors, and lengths, all designed to enhance your natural beauty and make a bold fashion statement. One of the highlights of this video is the mesmerizing pixie cut. Pixie haircuts are famous for their ability to exude confidence and elegance. Whether you want a sleek and sophisticated look or a more playful look, there is a pixie cut that will perfectly complement your features. These short hairstyles not only offer modern appeal but also provide the benefit of low maintenance styling, making them a great choice for those who lead busy lifestyles as you dunk yourself. In this video, you will be captivated by the stunning range of colors that can transform your short hair into a true work of art. From classic shades like black and warm browns, the color options are limitless. Experimenting with different hair colors can be an amazing way to express your individuality and stand out from the crowd. In addition to the variety of styles and colors, we are happy to present some amazing transformative haircuts. In this video, witness the magic as we show women with long hair who opt for a bold and confident short haircut. Before and after transformation serve as a powerful reminder of the impact a haircut can have on a person's overall appearance and self-esteem. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, thank you so much for watching and being a part of this amazing and wonderful experience. Don't forget to like this video. Until next time, may you remain fabulous and continue to shine brightly. See you in the next video.